you're going to take the elastic and fold it over on itself. Like that, right? To prevent fraying. You're going to put it on the edge of the plastic. And this is our heavy duty stapler. You're going to get it towards the edge of the stapler, right, of the plastic, and all together. Nice and slow, actually. We found that if you try and slam it down, it destroys the stapler without penetrating through the plastic. So that move is actually, you want to do that real slow. We've also included pliers at each station because it really, if it jams up, like, you're going to have a problem. You're going to need to like dig out the staples. All right. Oh, I should have measured it first.
Oh.
Well, it's 18 inches. So you can tell how precise we are here. I just used the grid. Each station has one of these grids on it. We found that it was easier to attach the headband first and then hot glue the foam. So we're attaching this other side. Again, nice and slow on the stapler. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip the headband out of the way. The foam was 8 inches. That's too small. It comes on big rolls and we'll cut off strips. And when you got just the strip, then you can get, there you go. Is that 8 inches? That's more. I did it wrong.
That one's 8.
That one's 8. Oh, this one not 8.
Oh, I think you were starting
Oh,
it.
I was looking at the wrong thing. Watch out for that.
There's rollers at every station too.
This is what you want. Okay. We'll edit that out.
Yeah.
Okay. 8 inches. Cut precisely by me with no errors whatsoever. Got your hot glue gun. Got a bunch of glue sticks. A little bit of a wave. They actually, we found that the hot glue was very good at holding the foam onto the face shield, so there's no problem there. We are gluing on the 2-inch side. It is 1 inch thick.
And then it's important to get that little wave in there because it makes more contact. Because if you do a straight line, then it's kind of like less glue. So it's good to kind of get the whole surface area.
Perfect. All right. That is our completed face shield. Give it a second for the glue to set up. Another critical point is that you do want to make sure the elastic band is inset from the face shield. You don't want the band to be exposed. Apparently that edge can be a contamination, right? So they don't want the band to be out in front of the face shield at all. Good?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Cool.
Okay.